everyone. Welcome to my channel. The evil twins are back. BTS's V and Jimin are going viral after their hilarious reaction to a manager dancing to one of their songs at a recent event. On October 14th, V held his special fan meeting and ARMYs were surprised by a special appearance by fellow member Jimin. During the fan meeting, one clip started going viral and made ARMYs lol. At one point, V got their manager to the front of the stage and started playing their hit track, Blood, Sweat and Tears. Although he seemed embarrassed, the manager came out as soon as the song started playing. He looked at V, who tried to reassure him, and as he turned back to the crowd, it was like the soul of BTS took over. Yet, as he realized what happened, the manager got shy again, and that's when the idols reacted. V couldn't stop laughing and tried to push the manager to be more confident. He then got into it, and Jimin also couldn't hide his laughter at seeing what was happening. When the video was shared online, netizens joked about how evil V and Jimin were by making the manager dance to the song, but also loved their reactions. When the video was posted on TikTok, it had a similar reaction and quickly went viral. Netizens loved how willing the manager was to dance and how cool he was. As always, you can't spell BTS without chaos, and it proves that everyone wants to please the members. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.